ECG, the Association of European Vehicle Logistics, is committed to ensuring safe transport and yard operations. In 2018, ECG launched their Health and Safety Working Group. Today, this group is still co-chaired by Koopman Logistics and Toyota Motor Europe and brings together many LSPs, OEMs and truck manufacturers. One of the key tasks of this working group is to create guidelines for safe yards and safe loading processes. The Safe Yard Guidelines provides recommendations to ensure a safe loading environment for drivers. For example, there is clear guidance on what information the driver should receive on arrival. There are also clear recommendations on truck loading area layouts, load storage areas and other yard facilities. The loading process guidelines, on the other hand, describe the procedures that a driver needs to follow from the moment he or she arrives on the yard. It covers all processes from site arrival and deck preparation to safe loading and final departure checks. The loading process guide is broken down into a series of steps, sub-steps and key points. Each key point clearly describes and visualises the actions that a driver must perform in order to safely load a car carrier. When exiting a car on deck, for example, the guide shows all steps from opening the door to checking surroundings and then walking off the trailer safely. The detailed format of the guide means that it can be used as a training document, as an auditing check sheet, and even as a reference guide by the drivers to confirm that they are loading cars safely.
Well, as quality manager, that is still about Europe, we find this guideline, this book, quite important in use. We will add it to our current operations, current training programs, to help the driver trainer train the drivers on the field. Especially more experienced drivers must be able to use this because they skip a lot of key points in terms of safety.
Yeah, I find this guideline very good because this guideline helped me to avoid the miscommunications with the driver who's not speaking the same language, also with pictures and texts. This guideline also ensure the drivers not skipping our safety steps. With this guideline I also can check the driver condition and the truck conditions. And I also hope our LPs and OEMs read and follow those guidelines and help our industry better and safer.
Als chauffeur hebben we deze handleiding gekregen voor het laden van de vrachtwagen op verschillende posities. Met duidelijke pictogrammen die aantonen hoe en wat we moeten laden. Deze tonen aan voor de veiligheidsrisico's, voor de wagens die van de vrachtwagen afrollen of het vallen van de camion te voorkomen.
Join us in making the industry safer for our drivers.